My name is Samuel Carmant. I am a business development representative for Aspect Software. Before I got into tech sales, my background was event sales. But then, of course, COVID happened, so there weren't many events going on. So I was laid off and was trying to figure out my next move. So I pivoted. I came across an opportunity with a local company called Threat Locker. And from there, I met a few individuals. One of them was Moses. Moses was a member of Black Orlando Tech, and he was actually one of my first clients that I sold the cybersecurity software to. I love the community, but in tech sales, there's not a lot of Black and brown representation. So to know that there are people that look like me that are thriving in tech sales, or even in tech in general, it was a breath of fresh air to me. I was at a point in my career last year, I was looking for my next opportunity, and then I was offered an interview for Aspect Software. I passed the first round, and then I was on to the second round. Right around the time the interview skills event was occurring. So I absorbed everything at that event. I attended the event and absorbed everything at the event. It was a success because I'm currently an employee. So I'm making more money, so that's always a good thing. My earnings jumped 30% from my old job to my current job. I'm in a better work environment, less strenuous, I have more work-life balance, and I genuinely enjoy my colleagues. I enjoy the people I work with.